In this video, you listen to the original Holo 360 sound. To start the demonstration, first look in my direction. Here I am in front of you and the sound is almost mono. Now look in this direction. Now I am on your right side, but the sound is always mono. There is no difference. Now look in my direction again. And now look in this direction. Now I am on your left side, but the sound is again always mono. Without the VR Arcamis solution, the sound is not immersive at all and is not correlated with the video. The video is changing, but the sound remains the same.